I don't know. Hi everyone, I just wanted to give you a quick rundown of our website. There's a lot of stuff here, and the only thing that is required is the iReady lessons, and I want you reading 20 minutes a day. The rest of this is for fun, for enrichment, and however else you might want to use it. Okay, this is our homepage, Mrs. Martin Scholars. That's you guys. There's the 100th day of school. What a great day. Parents, I'm also including some articles and the like for you too, because this is a lot for everyone. Across here, we have buttons that will link you directly to those websites. We have Epic, Bridges Math, MobyMax, our SVE website, Class Dojo, and most importantly, iReady. This tab, Today's Lessons, is where you're going to find math and SLI. More of that will be coming. Math will happen on Monday and Wednesday. SLI will happen on Tuesday and Thursday, so look for those lessons. Important information. This is more for you parents, but I've included a daily classroom schedule so you have an idea of what our day looked like. If you're needing some ideas for scheduling or routine, this was our daily routine. The remote learning expectations, 1 math lesson, 1 reading lesson, and reading 20 minutes every day. There's me, I miss you. If you're trying to get into MobyMax, our school code right here, CO1534. Our class code for Epic, ZWU9767. Mindfulness matters. These are a few activities to help relax, to help calm down. These are stressful times and it's okay, but these are a few coping mechanisms for you parents or you kids. This tapping story, the kids are all familiar with that. Indoor recess, chill to the max on Go Noodle. Also, the kids are familiar. This here is an app, new to me, so new to the kids, but has some great breathing techniques to manage stress or to energize, that kind of thing. Structured literacy. This is the phonics phonemic awareness piece of our daily lessons. This here is all of the rules that the kids are taught and learning in 1st grade. Parents, you may find that surprisingly educational for your own self. This are the learned words. Yellow is 1st grade. Kids should be practicing and should know all of these words quickly. For example, they should be able to read them which, many, would, to, could. At that pace, they are proficient. Learned word flashcards. And here's the SLI sound deck video. These are sound cards that the kids are all familiar with. Science and social studies. And math. I will just be posting some additional resources here for you to watch, read, listen to. All of this is optional, but a lot of it's really great information. This is our just for fun. There's some directed drawings, Go Noodle, Sonic Hedgehog. Scratch is a coding website, fun for kids. You can create your own games. Parents, another article for you, 12 activities to do with the kids. If there is anything at all you guys would like to see on here, or you guys have trouble finding, I'm open to all kinds of suggestions. But that is our website. I've sent the link several times. I'll send it again. But I plan on updating this almost daily with new lessons. I may embed my daily video here. So that's it. I hope it's helpful. Thanks.